Monster wave, guys. Look at that. Monster. Look at that, guys. We take up the first net. Actually, two net this, but the two of them in now. Alright, people. The wave them get bigger and bigger, you know, guys. Look here. And right here, so the boat is there, you know, people. Alright, guys. There you work. I'm going to come for work. Yeah, man. So we plan to go move the net them. Boat them have a secure all life fishing gear, because they have a serious bad weather coming in. But you can see, really high. Yeah, man, so we have to secure them. So we are making you guys see everything what we are doing and everything we are going. So just like, share and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, man, just stay tuned. Alright, guys, we have a serious weather come from the north, you know, guys. Yeah, man, we are going to get the boat we have down that side here, draw up and the net them. As you can see in the distance, that's some huge wave, you know, people. Yeah, man, that's some huge wave, man. So we are getting the boat draw up and we have some net. On the riverside, we are getting them draw up as well. Yeah, man, that's some serious high wave, them people. Look at them wave here. So me at distance, you know, really I see them. Yeah, man, but them wave are huge. You can see the wave all eat off the banking, you know, people. Look here. Yeah, man, the wave eat off the banking. See it here. Let me give you guys a close up. Yeah, man, look at this. Fresh broke off. Fresh broke off, people. The wave I go all the way in on the land up that side, up at the beach house. Yeah, man, the wave I go all the way in on the land. All the way in. Puppy, what going? I watch the weather too. And the puppy there on the seaside, guys. My people. Since the hurricane at first, we see them wave, the size wave here. But them go up the sea. Them come from in the north, I go up in the east. Them are some massive wave, them people. Massive. So yeah, man, guys, we reach down to the river mouth now. Yeah, man, look at them wave here, guys. People, this phone, the camera not show no justice. Them wave are large. Them wave are about 4-5 meters. Yeah, man, them wave are huge. Yeah, man. And you can see all of them debris and then stick here, the people. Yeah, man, I wave them box them all the way up here, so. Yeah, man. All of them stick here and debris here. Yeah, man, the sea come all the way up on the land as far as the eye can see. Yeah, man, guys, as far as the eye can see. Man, people, so I out here, I'm going to some live update. Yeah, man, just like up the video, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Yeah, man, and share up the video. And you can also leave your thoughts in the comment section. Look, guys, look at them wave here, guys. Look at those wave. Monster. Look at that, people. Look at those waves. Monster wave them here, people. Look at that. Look at that, man. Huge wave them here, people. Yeah, man, guys, that's some monster wave. Guys, the camera now show the justice, guys. Guys, you see up here, so where normally see them look water here, normally them places are land. All of them places are normally land, you know, guys. And you see, so the wave them big, the water take you right over. Yeah, man. All of them places where you see, yeah, man, normally are land. And look here, guys, the water come right on my foot. I mean, they're all the way up on land. Look how far the sea come. Like, this is not normal. Since Hurricane Melissa, the first, me see the size wave here. Look at that. Look at those waves. The people, the camera now show no justice. The wave here huge, man. Huge. Man, people, so when I get the boat secure and the net them, you know, guys. So just stay tuned and watch what I go on. Man, I secure the net them and the boat. Man, so have a bridge in there here. Yeah, man, we'll get them secure. So yeah man people, see net them here. Yeah man, all I watch the channel for a long time there. Yeah man, see when I set the net here. Yeah man, so we'll get them all the way up on the land. Cause you can see, this is where the wave them are coming up people. And we have the net them right here. The one here are the sprat net. Yeah man, the wave them are come all the way up. And the forecast for me here say it's gonna get more better than this. So before we get any worse, yeah man, we get to net them up on the land side. Man, so just stay tuned and watch what go on with people. We have to start out the net them right now. Then we'll go ahead and draw up the boat for the land side. Yeah man, so just stay tuned. So yeah man people, as you can see, we take up the first net. Actually two net this, but the two of them in one. Yeah man, so we take up the first one. It'll take them for half of the shoreline and carry them in more on the land side. Yeah man, so we have a sprat net leave now to take up. Man, this is a sprat net people. Yeah, so how dry go in on the land side. Yeah, man, so we'll go ahead and take you up. So yeah man peeps, so I get this sprat net more in on the land. Man, so you can see. Man, so it's supposed to alright here so. Man, it's supposed to see it. I don't know. Yeah, I'm a bridge in there. Man, me and him are wreck. So we go check on the boat now and see what I go on with it. Yes guys, so people, look where the sea do already. I know everybody see the people. Look how the wave them go up. Way in on the land. As you can see, I have them tree here are the dry land in the people. Them are the dry land. The sea are coming. You can see the sea take over the river mouth. River mouth get wide. Look how river mouth wide people. Man, the river mouth get extremely wide. Man, serious what that is, guys. Yeah, man, have to take this serious. We can't take this lightly. We have to secure all our fishing gears, them, boat and everything. Yeah, man, serious what that is, people. And peeps, see the boat here. This boat now, which part did they know? I did far from the water, you know, people. And look here, the water they're right behind it. So we will go ahead and should it up more upon the land. Because we don't want the sea come over and damage it. Yeah, man, so we're going to show it in more upon the land. Yeah, man, so just stay tuned with people and watch what go on. And remember guys, just like up the video, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, man, you can leave a comment in the comment section, alright? We'll go ahead and show up the boat. Go ahead now and show up the boat. We have a little bit of water inside, yeah, man, so we are going to bail out. Yeah, man, so just stay tuned with people and watch what. So, let's see if we can get one more. So, we'll get one more. Hold on. Take the water. Just try flat, fight. Fight. This can work. Just try on it. Let's see if we talk some more about the land. Ready? One, two. So yes peeps, as you can see, man, it is a bit more further from the water. Man, so it's supposed to alright here so guys. Yeah, man. And the video that I'm showing you guys how we do the net fishing. Yeah, man, at this boat we use. We do net fishing mostly. Yeah, man, so we have to secure it in the people. Yeah, man, and boat is very expensive, so you can't afford it to get any damage. Yeah, man, so now just stay tuned people and watch what go on. You'll see if I can show you some more of the weather, how the sea and the wave them. Yeah, man, so just stay tuned. Alright people, the wave them get bigger and bigger, you know guys, look here. And right here, so the boat is there, you know, people, with a bamboo here there right now. Right here, so the boat is there. And look at this now guys. A pure water, look at this. Yeah man, the wave them get bigger and bigger people. Man, so that's why we can secure the boats and the net them Man, because we can't make them destroy now, guys. You see right here where me I stand up right now, guys, you see my foot? Yeah, man, normally here so just dry land. Man, but the wave them might get bigger. Look at that, peeps. Look at those waves. Some monster wave them here, guys. Yeah, man, some monster wave them here. The camera not show no justice, people. Then wave the huge, man. Huge. They might come all the way up in the river. Man, all the way up. You can see where it sweep underneath them tree here. You can see left a watermark. Man, all the way up on the land. Right, peeps? You see? Some wave out the sea, guys. It's not normal. Look at those wave, people. Man, them wave extremely big. Guys, though the wave then high, we can hardly sit down to the next point. When the wave then swell up. Man, the wave then huge. Look at that, people. Look at those waves. Man, look at those waves, people. Is this not normal? Some of these waves even look even bigger than when the hurricane come, than when Melissa pass. Man, some of these waves even bigger. Man, some of these waves bigger. Look at that, people. Look at that. Look at those waves, man. And waves are huge, you know, peeps. Huge, man. Huge. Alright, people. See you go on wicked. Yeah, man, look. You can see behind me. Yeah, man, the wave then huge. Yeah, man, the wave then huge. So, we just go get the boat and the net them secure. Yeah, man, so just there and chat for the seaside. Let you know, guys, see everything will take place. Yeah, man, look at these people. Go far the wave them a come way up on the land. Yeah, man, so guys, you know, just like up the video. Yeah, man, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, man, you can leave a comment in the comment section. Man, peeps. Wave them huge, guys. Huge, man. Peeps, look here, guys. Look here. Look how far the wave them a come. Look for the size of them wave there. Look for the size. This is like a hurricane. Look at that, peeps. Look at those waves. Monster. And some giant wave them here, guys. Giant. And peeps. Look how far the sea coming to the land. Up here, so the wave them are box, you know, people. All the way up here. The wave them are box. And look how far the sea I come from. You see that, people? And the wave them are come all the way up on the land side up here. So as you can see, the sun wet. And then up here, so all of the wave them are come. And the wave them are go up the sea, people. Them are come from the north. And look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at those waves. Look at that, people. Monster wave, guys. Look at that. Monster. Look at that, people. Some monster wave them here, peeps. Look here. I come all the way up to the land. Look there, guys. People, the camera now show no justice. The way all these wave big, the camera now show no justice. Look at that, people. Them wave here bigger than when Hurricane Melissa did come in the last year. Some of them wave are bigger. Look at this. You know how far from there from the sea, people? And the wave them are come all the way right up to my foot. Right, people, a big monster wave. Look at them giant wave here. People, the camera now show no justice. Them wave here huge. Huge. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at those waves, man. Man, so guys, we have to cut the video right here. Man, I want to say thanks to all for watching. Yeah, man, and thanks for the love and the support of the people. Yeah, man, we're there on the road. We want 1,000 subscribers. Man, so now just subscribe to the channel, guys. Like the video. And you can leave a comment on the comment section, alright? Yeah, man, just until then, thanks for watching again. And stay tuned.